I want to start today by asking you a question. What if I told you that while you are sleeping, your eyes are actually trying to repair themselves? It is true, but here is the problem that most of us face. We are accidentally starving our eyes right before bed. We focus so much on what we eat for breakfast or lunch, but we forget that the night shift is when the real healing happens. If you want to wake up with sharper vision, and if you want to fight off serious conditions like glaucoma and cataracts, the secret is not always in a pill, it is in your kitchen. Today we are building the ultimate 15-minute pre-sleep menu for your eyes. We have the science, we have the delicious fruits, and we even have the secret snacks that celebrities like The Rock and Michelle Obama use to stay healthy. So, get comfortable. Maybe grab a pen and paper, and let's talk about how to save your sight while you sleep. First, let's talk about hydration. But I am not just talking about water. We need specific liquids that help lower the pressure inside your eye. You might have heard of glaucoma. It is often caused by high intraocular pressure. To help combat this, I want you to look for pomegranate juice. Here is the specific prescription from the experts. Drinking about 200 to 250 milliliters of pomegranate juice, roughly 2 hours before you sleep, can be a game changer. Why? Because studies suggest it helps reduce that pressure buildup. Plus, the antioxidants in the juice reach their peak concentration while you are sleeping. This boosts your ocular repair exactly when your eyes are resting. It is like sending in a cleaning crew while the building is closed for the night. Now, if juice is a little too tart for you, or if you want something warm and cozy, let's talk about the golden milk. This is a mixture of turmeric and almond milk. This combination is a powerhouse. Turmeric is famous for reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the delicate vessels in your eyes. When you mix it with almond milk, you are getting a supply of vitamin E, which is essential for membrane repair. But there is a hidden bonus here. Almond milk contains tryptophan. You might know tryptophan as the thing in turkey that makes you sleepy on Thanksgiving. It helps you enter deep sleep phases. And remember, if you are not sleeping deeply, your eyes cannot heal properly. And for my tea lovers, there is always saffron tea. It is a bit of a luxury item, but research shows saffron has incredible benefits for retinal health. A warm cup of saffron tea is a beautiful way to end the day. Moving on from drinks, let's talk about the snack bowl. I call this the Hollywood bowl because some of the biggest stars in the world rely on these fruits to keep them looking and feeling young. We are looking for two things here: vitamin C and beta-carotene. Did you know that Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, the singer Rihanna, and fashion icon Diane von Furstenberg are all huge fans of papayas and citrus fruits? There is a reason for that. Vitamin C isn't just for fighting the common cold. It is actually a building block for collagen. Your eyes, specifically the cornea, rely on collagen to maintain their structure. A few slices of papaya or an orange before bed is light on the stomach, but it does heavy lifting for your eye strength. If you have a sweet tooth at night, and you usually reach for a cookie or a piece of chocolate, I want you to try cantaloupe instead. Cantaloupe is sweet, it is hydrating, and it is absolutely packed with vitamin A. It is the perfect natural dessert that won't spike your blood sugar too aggressively, but will feed your eyes the nutrients they crave for night vision. Now, let's get to the crunchy snacks. Sometimes you are watching TV, relaxing on the couch, and you just want something to munch on. Put down the potato chips. Instead, I want you to make a mix of 3 things: almonds, sunflower seeds, and walnuts. Think of these nuts and seeds as the shields for your eyes. They are loaded with vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. Their job is to reinforce the eye membranes. During the day, your eyes are bombarded by UV light, blue light from screens, and pollution. These nuts help reduce that oxidative damage while you sleep. Next up, we have a food that might sound like dinner, but makes an incredible evening snack: the humble sweet potato. Celebrities like Michelle Obama and Drew Barrymore love sweet potatoes. They are rich in beta-carotene. When you eat them, your body converts that beta-carotene instantly into vitamin A. This is essential for preventing night blindness. A small baked sweet potato is comforting, filling, and fantastic for your vision. And speaking of dinner, I have to mention the heavy hitters. Oily fish, like sardines. Now, I know you probably won't eat sardines as a midnight snack, but having them for a late dinner is a brilliant strategy. Just ask Jason Momoa or venture capitalist Craig Cooper. They prioritize healthy fats for brain and eye health. The omega-3s in oily fish work overtime while you sleep to repair the neural connections between your eyes and your brain. Finally, I saved the most important category for last. This is the Cataract Crusher. If you are worried about developing cataracts, or if you have a family history of them, you need to listen closely to this part. We are talking about dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, and broccoli. There are 2 major levels of evidence here that are honestly blowing the minds of optometrists. First, in lab studies on human lens cells, scientists found that the nutrients lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in these greens, protected lens cells against UV light. In fact, they were about 10 times more effective than vitamin E at preventing that damage. 10 times stronger. That is incredible. Second, there was a massive study involving over 36,000 men. The researchers found that the men who ate the most spinach and broccoli had a 19% lower risk of needing cataract extraction surgery. 19% is a huge number when it comes to your health. Celebrities like SZA, Katie Couric, and again Michelle Obama swear by their greens. Now, I know a salad at midnight sounds boring, so try a small green smoothie. Blend a little spinach with that papaya or pineapple. It is easy to digest, and it sends those protective nutrients straight to your lenses. So, here is your mission for tonight. Don't go to bed hungry, but don't reach for the processed junk food either. Pour yourself a small glass of pomegranate juice, or grab a handful of walnuts. Maybe bake a sweet potato for a late snack. Your body is going to do the work while you sleep. You just have to give it the right tools. I want to know which one of these you are going to try tonight. Are you going to try the golden milk? Or maybe you are a fan of the Cantaloupe? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for listening. Here is to better sleep and clearer sight. Good night and stay healthy.